Hey y'all, it's Keitha T. Today we're in the kitchen and we are going to make a protein pudding pie. Yep, you heard me correctly. We're going to be using Jell-O, a Premier Protein. We have our graham cracker crust. We got some heavy whipping cream and some Cool Whip. We're gonna see how this turns out. Trying to get a healthier alternative. Okay, so the recipe calls for, we're gonna use 1 box of the family size chocolate instant pudding pie filling. Pour that right in. Oh, chocolate on chocolate. Premier Protein. Let's see how much is in here. All right, that's 1 cup. Whoa. So now we'll supplement the difference with our heavy whipping cream. Bring that to a cup. Y'all know I like to experiment over here. I don't know what this is going to be like, but we'll find out. Okay. So that's equivalent to 3 cups of milk, right? I think so. Now we're going to just whisk all of our ingredients together. Whisk. Keep it whisking. Mix that baby real good. Yeah, my protein was not cold, so I don't know if that's going to impact how quickly this will thicken up. You may have to put it in the fridge and come back. We'll see. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day over here. Sun is shining. I'm gonna help this along a little bit. Scrape those sides. Oh, don't do that. Keep the mixture in the bowl. Looking a little pretty. I wonder if I need more milk. Let me let y'all see what it's cooking. The mixture is looking like, you can see it's still a little gritty. So let's keep mixing. I am going to put just a little bit more of this heavy whipping cream. Okay, we're getting a little bit smoother. Now what you trying to get? just wanted to get a different whisk. Hold on, Mom. Yeah, see it? It has sticking. Now let me just get this into my pie shell. Okay, we're just opening up the Keebler Graham Ready Crust. Y'all see it? Put that pudding mix right into that pie. Right into the pie shell. Y'all get entertainment over here, everything. Please subscribe. Ooh, still may be able to do a couple of pudding cups, y'all. That's what we're gonna do. The leftover mixture, we're gonna do something else with it. All right, so we have our pudding, our protein pudding mix, and our pot shell. Y'all see that? I'm coming on. I'm ready to get up. And now, hope this works. I really hope this works. It's a cool whip. Getting excited about this one. There's gotta be a way to be a little bit healthier and still enjoy your desserts. There just has to be. I'm gonna do one more thing. And this is not low fat at all. So I had to hide these. I didn't hide them, I wouldn't have them. You're gonna smash a few up and you're gonna sprinkle them right on top. Well, let's smash them all. Why not? I'm just gonna sprinkle these babies right on top. And we'll save some for our pudding cups. So how does that look? Tell me, how does that look? Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so now we're going to put this into the refrigerator. This is convenient. Don't throw your cups away, guys. I used to always do that. And put it in the refrigerator, and we're gonna let it set, chill, get cold, and we will enjoy this at dinner. Y'all, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. It's your girl Keitha T and Keitha's Kitchen doing it Keitha's way. Y'all be blessed.